Hello everyone, welcome in my tech free channel, and I'm going to be your instructor in this Python tutorials for the beginners. In this course you are going to learn everything that you need to get started programming in the Python programming language. Okay, today I'm going to discussing about models types. There have the two types of models: user defined models and user defined models. That's called external models. And so next model's name is built-in models, but today I just to discussing about the two built-in models. That's are these are math model, and next is date and time models. I want to I want to execute any programs using this built-in models, date time and math models. Okay, let's get started today my video. Let's go on the screen. Okay, open this VS Code and then open these folders. And so I already create the I already create the these folders. I already create these folders, this file's name day18.py, this as my new file name. And so I want to explaining, I want to executing based on two built-in models. Mm, that model's name is math models and date and time models, date time models. How to calculate any calculators, any calculating functions using the math models in our Python programming. And so how to execute, how to run, how to display on the screen the current date and current years on our screen on using our Python programming in our from import from the models, this date and time models. Okay, let's go. First I want to use these math models. I just to import import its math model. And so print the simple one functions of the mathematical functions that especially print out any calculators. Okay, and so math, again use this math dot factorial. Have it factorial is any types of numbers factorial. So if we want to display any types of numbers factorials on our screen using the Python, we can use this models, math models. Okay, so I want to find out the factorial of 20 and control S. And so you can see you can see the this you can see that this you can see the this programmed output on the screen. And so print this and Python 3, and so day18.py, and run this our program, run this our program. This is very simple program, but it's very necessary on our programming, Python programming. So if you not to understand, it's also very difficult program. Okay, so you can easily get the factorial 20s factorials, every types of numbers factorials. So you can easily use this math models. Okay, this is the simple math models example. And next one examples, this is built-in functions. Okay, this is built-in functions. This is built-in models that recently we can easily access the any methods from the Python programming. It's already created, automatically created in our Python programmings. Okay, in our easily compiler and not to interpret it, easily compiled our process in our programming. Okay, so next example is print MATS mat models dot mat model thus dot FLO polars. Okay, 17 divide 2, 17 divide 2 floors. If you need to any values, you can see the result on the screen. Okay, you can see the result of this program on the screen, and so run this program, and so this 17 divide by 2 use these floored functions and mat module this to run on the screen to print the result 8. Okay, print the result 8, this programs of this program. Okay, and next one print mats mat dot sin sign 30. If you need to value of the sin 30's values on our in situations, you can use this mat models and the function sin functions and give the values, and you can easily get the result on your screen using this mat model. Okay, you can see these values. Okay, this one is print of this program, and this one as to print of this program. Here I have to display the result of this program. Okay, this is one mat models. This is the one of the most important models of the models is the mat models. And so next one models I want to discussing about the next one models. That model's name is datetime model. Datetime model, the model on our Python programming. How to use this? Okay, from datetime, and so import datetime, okay, and so we can take a object current year equals to current years equals to datetime models dot another now dot year print. Okay, year print the current year. Okay, control S. These models, date and time models, these functions input from date and time models. Okay, and so you can define this current years. You can any types of object define on your program, but I just to define the current year on at this time on my screen on my program. This object name is current year, and so date time dot now now functions dot year. I want to display the current year on our screen using the datetime models. So now print this program on our screen. Python 3 day18.py. Okay, 2024. This result print out on our screen after running this program. Exactly print out current years. Okay, 2024. But I want to again print out the current date. Okay, current date I want to print out on our main screen using the datetime. Okay, datetime models. How to print, how to use. Okay, how to print. Okay, I want to give again print out the current date. Okay, this one I just to comment out, and then again I want to take I want to current date object name, and so date time models name, and so now functions used in here, and so date functions again used in here, and so print see your current date. Okay, sorry, current date. Okay, print this object, this variables in here, print out in here, and so what the result print out on our screen you can see after this program so running on our screen. Python 3 day18.py. okay, you can see detailedly print out our current date. Okay, current date 2024 11/23. This is our current date.